The history of the JOSKIN brand began in 1968 when Victor JOSKIN set up an agricultural contracting business in the Herve Plateau, a grassland area in the province of Liège in the eastern part of Belgium. As a contractor, Mr. JOSKIN was at the service of the family farm and the neighboring farmers. During the harvest period, he provided a breakdown and repair service. He was also selling new or second-hand machines. Very quickly, the company has developed and opened up for a new activity, importation. Strengthened by the experience gained in this field and receiving ever more specific requests from his customers, Victor JOSKIN decided in 1984 to produce the first JOSKIN machine, a slurry tanker, and the first of many to come. In just 50 years' time, the JOSKIN brand has become one of the biggest names in the agricultural world. Its machines are now crisscrossing farms all over the world. The JOSKIN product program is one of the most complete in the world. It includes equipment for transport, the spreading of liquid and solid organic fertilizers, but also the maintenance of pastures to preserve the quality of fodder. Today, the whole JOSKIN group has more than 850 employees and is represented by more than 600 authorized dealers around the world. There are 5 production sites in total, established in Belgium, France, and Poland. The company is still managed today by its founder, Victor JOSKIN, as well as his wife, Marie-Josée, and their 3 children, Vinciane, Didier, and Muriel. Since the beginning of this great journey, the JOSKIN Group has manufactured more than 120,000 machines, including 40,000 slurry tankers. These are now in use in more than 60 countries around the world. One of the special features of the JOSKIN products is the capability of keeping up to date with new technology and constantly provide innovative solutions. In the course of its history, JOSKIN has been awarded several times as one of the most inventive manufacturers. The latest award was given at the Agritechnica Trade Fair in 2019. JOSKIN received the Gold Medal for its project of hybrid electric traction, developed in collaboration with John Deere. Part of the brand's success is also due to its in-house manufacturing philosophy. No less than 85% of the products on the JOSKIN machines are developed and manufactured in our own factories. This makes it possible to master the technology and quality as much as possible, but also to provide a competent service at any level and at any time. Let's jump into this beautiful success story and discover the industrial production of modern agricultural machinery.